Looking at the account inquiry but not sure what everything means? Let's break down your balance, transactions, and summary in a simple way in AutoCount. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
Journal of transaction. This report is to check the debit credit for different group. Let's say I preview, this group is under bank, another group is under cash, another group is under general one, or another one is for sales and so on. This all also can double click and actually is for debit credit purpose. So my advice is this ledger report, journal of transaction. We seldom use all these report and unless we found our account is not balanced. Okay, in such a way, then we will refer which month start will not balance, and then we see that particular month what transaction is being wrong actually. But I believe AutoCount we seldom has this all problem. But if for checking purpose, all the accounting system, so you can check start from journal, because the journal is the first step. Okay. And then second step, only we post to ledger. After we post to ledger, only we post to trial balance. After we post to trial balance, only we update the profit and loss and balance sheet. So this is the first source of document we can refer. So journal entry are not very important, so I move forward.
If you want to learn more about operating AutoCount, we have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.